All right, so now we're getting into word problems, and the problem with word problems is that they did they're hiding the diagram. And if you get the diagram wrong, your whole question is done wrong. Fear not. If you get the diagram wrong and you carried through with everything and you got a completely bonkers answer and you were to say like on an assessment, listen, miss, I know something went wrong here. It doesn't make sense. My diagram must be wrong. You're only going to lose like a point 0.5 of a mark. Your thinking's there. You're showing me you understand how to apply the concepts. Like it's just that you got caught up on the words. So don't shut down before you try these. Okay? A light was installed in LaSalle's new baseball field. The light is 145 feet above the ground. Stop there. Draw something. I'm going to draw the light above the ground, and then I'm going to draw the ground. There's my 90-degree angle. I don't know why I had to make it so large. That was not a good idea. Now it's not working because I've got the pen in my hand at the same time, and it's like reading the wrong things, and it's getting... Anyway, okay. What do we know? 145 feet. 145 feet. That we're... This is where you assume. I'm assuming that if I'm going straight from the top of a building down, it's going to be a 90-degree angle because if the contractors did their work, this should be leveled. So that's where we get our right angled triangle. And I'm just going to finish it because I know that this is a triangle question. Somewhere there's going to be more information given about this. Okay. The light is 145 feet above the ground. Justin set the new light on the baseball field at an angle of 50, so it would shine where needed. So when Justin was up here installing the light, he shone it at an angle of 50 degrees. So this is where you would position the light because then the light shines down like that. So this is 50 degrees. Okay. Okay, we have a right angle triangle, we have an angle, we have a side. What do they want to know? You decide to stand on the field where the new light is shining. Well, the light is shining all the way down here. How far are you from the light post? Okay, we want to find this side of the thing. Like, how far is this from the light post? Since the triangle is not given, draw one in the question. Yep, we did that. So, figure out given angle. Boom. Where is my hypotenuse? There's my height. No information for height. So we're only given information. We're looking for opposite. We were given adjacent. So SOHCAHTOA, opposite adjacent, that's tan. So we'll go tan of the angle is the opposite side. Well, that's what we're trying to find over the adjacent side. I would do this math first on my calculator. Round your answer to 1 decimal place. Okay, so tan of 50. And I'm going to carry 4 decimal places right now just because we're still in the middle of doing our calculations. As soon as we get to the final answer after carrying extra decimals, 7.6, no, 7.5, then we do our rounding. You wait until the very end to do your rounding. So then we've got to get x by itself, multiply by 145, bang, bang, multiply by 145, and I got 172.8. Yes, 172.8 equals x. Therefore, you are, we're feet, right? 172.8 feet away. What are we doing? Away from the light post. Away, whoops, from the light post. What is the angle of elevation from you to the light fixture? Well, if we're thinking about our nice little triangle that I had up there, that looked like that, and that, and that, and then we had this and 145 feet and 50. Okay, what is the angle of elevation from you to the light fixture? What's this angle? How could we solve that? We don't even need to use SOHCAHTOA. How how much do all of the angles in a triangle add up to? 180 degrees. So if we take 180 and we take away the 90 and then we also take away the 50, we're going to find out how much this angle of elevation is. So 180 minus 90 minus 50. Some people like to go 50 plus 90 and then they subtract that from 180. Totally legit. 40 degrees. Therefore, the angle of elevation is 40 degrees. Number 3. Oh, no.